Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Christie, and tonight's homework is division number stories. Just like what we did today in class, they're a little bit tricky. There's a few different steps, so you want to read them carefully before you start. So, the first one, number one, says Robert and Jason want to buy a group ticket package for football games. Package A costs $276 and includes 2 tickets for each of 6 games. Package B costs $336 and includes 2 tickets for each of 8 games. Which package charges more per ticket? How much more per ticket? Okay, so let's deal with package A first. So here's package A. It's $276 and it has 2 tickets for each of 6 games. So how many tickets is that all together? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2 times 6, and that equals 12. So it's 12 tickets altogether. 12 tickets for $276. So now we need to figure out if 12 tickets cost $276, how much does 1 ticket cost? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to divide. 276 divided by 12. Okay, so we know that 12 doesn't go into 2, but it does go into 27. How many times? 2. 2 times 12 is 24, and then we add a 0 because there's another digit. And if we add a 0 here, we add a 0 here. Then we subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. So now 12 goes into 36. How many times? 3. 3 times 12 is 36. So the remainder is 0. 20 plus 3 is 23. So package A tickets cost $23 each. Alrighty, now let's talk about package B. Package B costs $336 and includes 2 tickets for each of 8 games. So the first thing we need to do is multiply 2 times 8, and that's 16. So that means we have 16 tickets altogether for the $336. So now we have to divide 336 divided by 16. Okay, well, 16 doesn't go into 3, but it does go into 33. How many times? Well, I know that 16 and 16 is 32. So that's 2 16s. 2 times 16 is 32. Then I add another 0 because there's another digit here. And if I add a 0 there, I need to add it here. Then I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. I have 16 left over. So we know 16 goes into 16 one time. 1 times 16 is 16. Subtract, and we don't have a remainder. 20 plus 1 is 21. So package B tickets cost $21 each. So which one is more expensive? Well, we know 23 is more than 21, right? So package A, and 23 minus 21 is 2, so package A charges $2 more per ticket. Oh, whoops. There, sorry about that. Okay, all right, so that's all about that one. So now let's go to number 2. Now, if you want to, you could turn this video off and do number 2 by yourself, and then turn the video back on and see if you got it right. So, this one is about Rebecca. Rebecca wants to put 544 pennies in a coin collection book. The blue book fits 9 pennies per page. The red book fits 7 pennies per page. How many more pages would she need if she used the red book rather than the blue one? Okay, so this is a lot like the baseball card problem that we did this afternoon, or this morning. Well, depends on when I saw you, if it was this morning or this afternoon. But, so what we're going to do is, the blue book fits 9 pennies per page, and she's got 544 pennies. So we're going to divide 544 by 9. So 9 doesn't go into 5, but it does go into 54. 6 times. 6 times 9 is 54. Then we add another 0, because we have a digit there. And if we add a 0 there, we need to add 1 there. Then we subtract, and we have a remainder of 4. So we have 4 more pennies. So what are we going to do with our remainder? Well, she wants to put all her pennies in the book. So we're going to have to add another page. So our remainder is going to mean we're going to add 1. So it's going to be 61. So the blue book is going to need 61 pages. So 60 and then an extra page for the 4 pennies. So now let's talk about the red book. The red book only fits 7 pennies per page. So 544 divided by 7. Well, 7 doesn't go into 5, but it does go into 54. How many times? Well, I know that 8 times 7 is 56, so that would be too much. So let's do 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Then I have to add another 0, because I have another digit there. And then I subtract. Well, I can't take 9 away from 4, so I have to borrow from the 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. So once again, 7 goes into 54 7 times. And I have a remainder of 5. So even though this is 77 with a remainder of 5, what am I going to do with those 5 pennies? I'm going to have to add another page. So the red book is going to need 78 pages. So the red book will take how many more pages than the blue book? So we have to subtract 78 minus 61. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So it's 17 more pages. Now we have to answer the question about the remainders. What did you do with any remainders you found? I added another page for the remainder. Okay, so now we've got some practice multiplication. Okay, so the first one, 754 times 6. We can just do lattice for that one. (754) times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42. So our answer is 4,524. 906 times 2. So why don't we do the rectangle method for that one? (906) times 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 900 is 1800. And then we add these together. So our answer is 1,812. Number 5, 831 times 7. So we'll do partial products for this one. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 30 is 210. 7 times 800 is 5,600. I'm going to add these together. Oh, I ran out of space. 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 5 is just 5. So in here we have 2-digit by 2-digit. So we are going to do, we'll do lattice for that one too. So 84 times 29. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry the 1. 7, 8. 14. Carry the 1. So it's 2,436. And that's it. I hope you have a wonderful night, and we're going to have so much fun at our field trip tomorrow, so don't forget to wear comfy shoes and bring your water bottle. Okay? See you tomorrow. Bye.